You know how we love our walkthroughs of our cabins, and this one's exciting for us because we'll be building this one on our farm this summer. This is a 3-bedroom cabin, 1,512 square feet. It's actually the Cedar Brooke model by Weaver, but we are going to, as we always do, kind of change it up. We actually built this exact model on our old farm in 2016, so I have a lot of history with it. There's a look at the Cedar Brooke. We put a pavilion outside. This was on our old farm, and we loved this. We had more of an open loft. This one put some bedrooms upstairs, which we're going to love for the Airbnb aspect. But as you can tell, very wide open, something we like to put in all of our cabins, even the small ones. If you can keep the living space tall, it makes it feel really big. This one has the fireplace. We'll probably stone that. I'll show you some of the things we're going to change as we walk through and go all the way up. But those double doors lead out to a patio for us. We're going to create a big patio out there with a grill, a nice space for people. But you have that inside dining area and then this kitchen. The kitchen is large, a big island, plenty of counter space. We'll probably move our refrigerator over to the corner wall. That back room right there is a pantry. We have a pantry in our current barn dominium just like this, and we love it. It's really good. It can store everything and out of the sight and out of the way. You see the staircase there that leads up, but let's first show you this first floor bedroom. It's kind of the master. You have a closet here on the left, which is great. You know, you're hanging coats. But what I really like is this laundry room that's first floor down the hallway, but out of the way with the paneled doors. You could put the two washer and dryer underneath, and then you have that folding space and then hanging clothes up top. The bedroom is really open. These windows, we will keep these just like this. It's going to be great views of the farm. Plenty of space in this master bedroom, and love that it's on the first floor. People that don't want to go upstairs or whatever, this is a great option to have this first floor bedroom. A nice closet there, a little walk-in closet. It's actually quite large. And then we'll come over here to the bathroom, full bathroom, glass shower, toilet, sink, the long narrow window. We always try to smoke our windows like that. We will do that here to, you know, you can see the light come in, but you don't have to worry about anybody looking in as well. So here's a great view of that wide open kitchen area and that main area with which will have the fireplace and the mantle. The front porch extends. We'll extend ours out 10 feet with a cover, so that'll make a nice sitting area. Well, let's take you upstairs now. This upstairs area is just, I love this. We did the same thing with the railings. We used the black iron. It just looks really good with that cabin feel. I love the drywall. We may put a little bit more wooden spaces too, but it's a really clean look. Coming up, the upstairs for us was just an open loft, but here they've taken and made 2 bedrooms, and we are going to do exactly this. Nice, spacious bedrooms. You see the tack unit there for air conditioning heat. This is a model on their site. We will use our split ACs up and out of the way. We'll use radiant floor heat and concrete on the bottom. Just a great heating system. And yes, it's plenty of heat and plenty of cool for the entire space, which makes it very efficient for us to run. But as you can see, this bedroom upstairs, plenty of space. And then you have another bedroom across the hallway, but in the middle, this hallway is nice. You could have a sitting area if you wanted, but also that shared bathroom, which is great. And it's a full bath. That's really nice to have a 3-bedroom, 1,500 square or 12 square foot home that has, you know, 2 full showers and baths. And then this bedroom that comes across. I'll show you a little bit more on that in a second, but show you this other bedroom. Again, those windows with the transoms up top. Just love the natural light they let in. Plenty of space for that 3rd bedroom. No really small, tiny bedroom, which is really nice for what we like to have, you know, comfortable Airbnbs. The closets are really nice. We use this on all of our designs. You see the way that shuts there. It just has the little magnetic catch. A simple thing, but it makes it really nice when you're just in a house and you don't hear that crash of the doors coming down. So come back out in the hallway here. I'll show you in there. They put a tub shower. We will use a glass shower, walk-in shower there, as well as the toilet for just a nice look upstairs to match the downstairs. The chandelier I love. We'll probably do something different, but very similar. But those wide windows at the top of this, of that front that allow that light in, are so nice for this main area. As you come down the steps here, I'll kind of just show you one more look at it all. It's just a really great floor design, something we're really happy with, and can't wait to build it this summer and have what we call, you know, a nicer big cabin at the farm.